Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to Trading Forever. I'm Trading Forever, a certified Wall Street trader. The value of our live program lies in helping you discover market trading opportunities, improve your trading skills, and develop an analyst's mindset. And if you do have any questions or need investment advice regarding stocks, futures, or option trading, I would be more than happy to assist you. Of course, you can find me on Discord, where we can discuss and exchange ideas about stocks and investment. Alright. Okay. Let's have a quick recap on what happened for the past 2 days. So Wall Street futures moved higher. One day after upbeat bank earnings helped the Dow post its longest winning streak in 2 years. European shares rose, lifted by gains in luxury group Kering, and London stocks firmed after inflation eased more than expected. In Asian equity markets, Japan's Nikkei scaled a 2-week peak, lifted by dovish comments from the country's central bank chief. The dollar strengthened, whereas gold weakened. Oil prices gained on expectations that the U.S. Federal Reserve will stop raising interest rates soon. Tesla, Goldman Sachs, IBM, and Netflix are expected to report quarterly earnings later in the day. Okay. Yes, and we are happy to have my co-worker who is with me right here, right now. Please welcome Andrew.
Hey, what's up? What's up, guys? My name is Andrew, and looks like Oliver. What's your opinion on the gold? USD. Oh wait. XAU USD. Yeah, that'll be the gold. Looks like. Let me do the adjustment here. For the gold, from my perspectives, it looks like we just the gold just break out this trend over here, and right now the stock price is experience a breakout and pullback. So right now it looks like we're gonna have another pullback just maybe in next 2 to 3 days. Yeah, what do you think about the gold?
I personally speaking, the gold is currently in its upward trend right now, and it actually gained a lot from the bottom consolidation area for the past roughly about 1 week, and apparently from what we are seeing right here, the price of gold has just touched the upper band of the Bollinger Band. Usually we are looking for a solid consolidation or retracement at least, so that the uptrend will be more healthy, and it will give us more opportunity to get in for our longing positions in terms of gold. So if you do not have gold at the moment, do not rush in, because we are probably gonna have another getting in opportunities for today or tomorrow. Okay, that is our opinions on gold. Let's see What else? Good morning, master trading, and just as usual, is if you do have any questions, or if you would like to discuss any stocks or ETF or any other markets, please do let us know from this chat session. We'll get back to you as soon as possible.
Looks like we're gonna have a Tesla and Netflix earnings at the post market, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Looks like the SP 500 earnings for SP 500 companies, they downgraded like 9% on their Q2 earnings. So I would say it should be pretty easy to beat the estimate. So if the company doesn't beat any, if the company doesn't beat the estimate, like the pretty low estimate, I would think the price will drop a lot. But I think most of the company from in the SP 500, they will beat the earnings. Seekers, do you think the Qs will correct today? I think we would have a little bit corrections, but from the day chart it's pretty strong. Even it's running at the upper bound of the Bollinger Band, and it's still following at the top area. So let me see on the 5 minutes chart. Here we go. Yeah, I don't want to see the pre-market. Alright, you can see there are couple it's EMA 20, 50, 100 and 200. So from the Qs, if you are looking for a correction, just give me a second. Alright, if you are looking for corrections, it's pretty hard to break every single lines. Every time when it drop to this will be the 50 EMAs. It dropped to 50 EMAs, it will get a support, and the price probably gonna be like this. We have the pre-markets pretty high, like high open with $1 higher than yesterday close price. So we're gonna open over here. So at that time, all the lines, moving average will go like this, and this one will also like this. So when the price open over here, it drop to here, and it give the support, or it breaks the first support and give the second support. It has to be like step by step. So I don't see a big correction. At this moment, I don't see any signals that show the market can give us like big corrections. And you can try to buy the dip if you are looking to long the price, long the Qs. When the stock price drop to the moving average, it will give the support, and you can buy from the dip. Just for a small bounce back, and you can just sell your positions, and when it comes down again, and you can sell your position again. So you can just play like rotating your trading. Qs likely will cool down. Yeah, I agree. But don't expect it. Qs will drop too fast. All the moving average are looking, currently in the bull trend. So when the price touch the moving average, it will give a support. So if you are looking for a big correction, it has to be the 20 moving average to cross the 200 moving average. So which basically 20 moving average go down and 200 moving average go up. There's the cross, it's called the deadly cross. So when you see the cross here, you can try to hold for a longer period of your short position. Otherwise, for every single support, you can try to long the Qs and play the bounce, just small bounce back.
Yes. if we can switch back to 1 hour or 1 day, it will make more sense, right?
Yeah.
Because usually we will see a relatively bigger picture to determine the direction of the market. So
Yeah, let me
yes,
just delete those lines.
we are currently at the hourly chart of QQQs.
Yeah, this is 1 hour chart. Yeah, it's pretty clear. Like, we are opening over here like 386.78. I think it's a new highs, right? Almost to the new highs.
Mm-hmm.
And when the price drop, this moving average will give the support. If it breaks this moving average, those three lines will give the support. So you have to look like step by step, instead of you just buy a put options and you hold for 1 day or 2 days. Don't do that. Don't do the swing trade, especially for short. It's going back to 2000-ish, no doubt. Yeah, that's funny. But just try. Don't hold any of your short position overnight. You can play short during the day trading, during the day trade. Don't hold overnight. It's pretty dangerous, especially for the second day. We have yesterday we closed actually. For the last hour it closed low, and today we just opened, we jumped open to close to the new highs. So if you hold short position last night, you're gonna lose about 50% or even 80% from the last day options. Yeah. Do you have any questions? Yeah, back to the topic. Like for the earnings, I do see the Tesla. Tesla looks like we almost close to the 300 level, and the big resistance level will be the 300 to 313. So that will be the really huge one. So if we open over here, we might see the Tesla go popped up or the blow off the top, maybe touch the 299 or 300, and then probably gonna be a consolidation or consolidating over here, and see if we can break 300 or not. But for the earnings, I do see from the option market that the volatility is not really big actually. So I would bet the Tesla will kills both call option and the put options. So it's probably gonna move within 4 to 5% after the market close. When the earning released. So I would not suggest you to gamble or buy any directions for the Tesla during the earnings. And for Netflix, I do see from the what is this? Netflix. Yeah, I do check the option markets. And Netflix potential movie after the earning release will be 11%. So that will be the huge one, especially for the pre-markets. It's already touched 481, and the 481. Let me back to a day chart. Let me see where is the 481 hold from the history. Yeah, the 481 that will be. Yeah, it pretty close to 485. 485 to 498 will be the huge resistance. It trading. It was staying in this range for kind of 1 year, right? It's 20th to 21st. Yeah, it almost it's trading in this range for a year. So I would assume this the point above 485, that will be a huge resistance area. So right now it's already 481. So don't I don't think we can chase right now. But for the earnings, the potential moves for 11%. So you probably can try to do the strangle or the straddle option strategies. You just buy a call simultaneously. You can buy put options, and yeah, just try to gamble a directions move after the earning released. Alright, let me back to the queues, see what's going on right now. Yeah, well, looks like we have 9 minutes. Market will open just within like 10 minutes. Okay. Alright, the pre-market 386. Yeah, we almost, we kind of like we opened at the yesterday highs. Yeah, we can just wait until the first 5 minutes or the second 5 minutes candle and see the real directions for the cues. Sometimes when the market open, it popped up, directly, and you can try to chase along, and chase for maybe for $1 or $2, and you can just take profit. Otherwise, if it dropped below the 386.60, you can try to play a short position. Just you can take profit when it touched the moving average over here, 386 or 385. Yeah, the market looks pretty strong. Yeah, no doubt, it's pretty strong. And the earnings for this morning will be a semiconductor. Somehow, yeah, it just dropped a little bit. So I don't think that will be the big matter for the market. The semiconductor stocks drop like 1.59%. That will be pretty easy. I mean, if you check the nvda, yeah, it's just 0.11, so it's not, it doesn't matter. It won't give a big effect for the market. And we do have the Goldman Sachs. The Goldman Sachs is drop. Yeah, it's 0.54. Yeah, but I don't see a. Let me see. Where I can check the news. Yeah. All right.
News. No. Next one. Economic calendar.
Yeah, the calendar. Yeah, we don't have anything for this morning, right?
We had something at 8:30. It's about housing.
It's 10:30. Okay.
Yeah, no, it's housing sectors.
Oh yeah,
those
already passed.
8:30s. Yes.
And we do have the crude oil import change. Yeah, I don't think this will be the big matter, right?
Yeah.
And also, I watched I see the numbers from the Goldman Sachs. It's pretty bad. I would say it's pretty bad. Even it's beat, but I think it's historically it's pretty bad numbers for the Goldman Sachs. But the market looks like don't give us a big pullback on this one. So yeah, who knows? Just I would say just wait until the market open. Yeah, and also the money, the big money are still doing the rotation. The market are selling off the tech stocks, and it's buying a travel stocks, like the UAL, like a DAL, Delta, and CCL, maybe, yeah, kind of the travel stocks. So if you want to play, you can try to figure which one I mean which one you like. The DAL. Yeah, the pre-market is just a little bit, I would say.
It's 5 minutes.
Yeah.
We'll see what happens from a bigger.
I mean,
shape.
I like this shape. It looks like a trying to, it went up and a trying to consolidation at this level, and maybe someday, maybe tomorrow or Friday, it probably gonna be another popped up. And also the IWM, the Russell is so strong, and right now it's 195. If it can successfully break 199.50, that will be the huge one. If we can see the IWM past this level, this resistance level, I'm looking for 220 after that. So 200 to 220, that will be no resistance. So that one will be a consolidation to move up, just by just give some time frame. It will go 220. Oh yeah, the earning. If you want to gamble the earnings, I would say that Netflix is better than Tesla, especially from a option market. The Tesla potential moves will be, from the option markets, the Tesla potential moves after the earning release will be pretty small. So if you play the options for Tesla, that might not give you a pretty great profit, or you're probably gonna lose money from the options. But the Netflix, it looks like it's gonna be a 11% moving after the market close. All right, back to the Rubik. Do you have anything to talk?
Yes. Let's get back to QQQ to see what is happening. See. Let's get back to 1 hour chart. Okay, auto feed. So we only have 2 minutes left before the market opens. At the moment, the current market price is at this level. If I can, that is extended out already. So if the market opens at this current level, we are actually open high is roughly $1.60 higher than previous day's close. Moreover, the current price is at the previous resistance level as well. So we'll see whether or not the price of QQQs can easily break through this level. If there are a lot of selling powers awaiting to short sell at this moment, then probably Qs will be by and large getting back to where it closed yesterday, which is at around 385, to refill that gap, which was a common gap.
Yeah, we have 5 seconds.
We'll see.
Back to regular charts.
To
5 minutes. Yeah,
Okay.
we have a gap over here. Let's see how the price actions after the market open.
I personally would say it will refill this gap. It's not far away from the current price, and apparently QQ does not have a lot of momentum to keep going up and going higher. It's going to be healthier for queues to pull back for the next wave of getting higher. Okay, 387.
Alright, the first candle is pretty strong. It breaks new highs. See, it's only 1 minute past. Let's see how this first 5 minutes candle close looks like.
That's right. Keys.
ZVSA. What is ZVSA? Oh, this is a penny stocks, right? Yeah, I'm not good at penny stocks. Penny stocks, there are no fundamentals and no technicals. It's just how the money like to play it. So if you wanna play this one, you have to set up a stop loss order, and once it breaks, point maybe it breaks the new lows, you're gonna take loss. Yeah, I'm not good at the penny stocks, and also I never played the penny stocks. Yeah, because it just depends on the money, how the money like to play. All right, the first 5 minutes, there is 32. Yeah, it's 9:33. It looks like some kind of the selling power at the top, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I would like to short over here.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to short.
Yes, just like I mentioned, because the current price is not far away from where it closed from yesterday.
Yeah.
So if it does refill the gap, it will make the upward trend healthier, and it can always get back to the right track.
I'm looking for maybe 20 minutes or 10 minutes, this price drop to this level or this level.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which means 20 MA and 30 MA.
20 or 50, yeah.
Okay.
Around 20 or 50. Yeah. That's I'm looking for.
And
Yeah, it's pretty ugly. I would say it's pretty ugly. Yeah. I'm looking for some red territory. I don't like the green right now. I like the red. Alright. Last minutes to close this candle. I would see this one will be a ideal positions for me to take profit. But I will take some profit over here. I will take some profit over here, just in case it gives the support. But I wish we can drop to this level. 383, 384, $2, pretty easy, right?
yes.
For Qs.
Or in other words, do you think when it gets back to 50 MA, is it the opportunity for us to buy again?
If it drop to here, I would say we can play a bounce back. All the moving average will go down, and we can play a little bit bounce back after that. Right now, I'm looking for a drop. Yeah, this is the first target. If you short over here, you already have some profit. Excuse me. Yeah, Rivian is pretty strong. I agree. Oh, looks like the Rivian is trying to break out the highs. You know, if you see today we can break the pre-highs to 26.82. I would say you can chase a little bit, you know, just for day trading, not overnight, because we have the Tesla earnings after the market close. So you know, even it can break this high, and the earnings good or earnings bad, it will, you know, sideways to, you know, it will affect the Rivian stock price. You are holding the put option. Yeah, like I said, I don't recommend you hold any options, especially for short positions overnight. Yeah, the market is still consolidation over here. I don't know where it's going. Yeah, the support is pretty strong. I just gave a first red candle and second one it bounced back. Yeah, it's pretty hard to play the day trade right now because there is no clear momentum right now. Let's see how this candle closed.
It seems like the buying power is trying to boost the price back up again.
Feels like a little bit weaker, right?
Yeah, yes, they are still fighting against each other. Keys.
I want to see the SPY.
Okay.
Alright, the SPY is trying to move up, so probably the Qs will not go down too much. Even, you know, it's weaker, the Qs is weaker than the SPY, but the SPY can hold the market.
Okay. Which means SPY can lead QQQ to move higher later.
Yeah. Yeah. And the Dow Jones already been up for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, for 8 days. That's crazy. Yeah, the money actually moving from the tech stocks into the traditional stocks or industry stocks.
Uh-huh. The QQ is still strong. It's just not as strong as other indices like SPY or like Dow Jones, but they are actually
They're
moving up.
There's no looks like we're gonna be bullish right now, right?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, this close is pretty strong. Just give a little patience, cause I want to see this candle if it can break this high. Otherwise, yeah, if it can break this high, that will be the bullish. Because the SPY is giving a little bit back, you know, dropped a little bit over here. Looks like it touched the resistance. So I don't see resistance over here. You know, the resistance line must from the last year because already been creating the new highs. The resistance will be over here. Yeah, it's close to the resistance level, so that's why the SPY gives a little bit. All right, Q looks like Qs are perform very strong right now. All right. Yeah, I think today is pretty hard to drop, but just stay careful. Don't chase right now. If you wanna chase, you can just play for 5 minutes or 10 minutes in the short period. Don't hold any positions overnight. It's pretty dangerous at this level. All the stocks, almost all the tech stocks are overvalued. It can reverse just in one candle. So don't try to hold any positions overnight. If you want to play day trades, that should be fine. Yeah, just be careful. I think that's it. That's for my all my comments here. Do you have anything?
Yes, thanks, Andrew. And just like usual, if you do have any questions or if you would like to discuss anything about stocks, options, please feel free to join our community to discuss those issues. Okay, thanks for tuning in today. And if you do have any further questions or would like to engage with our other viewers, I can invite you to join our discussion group. In the group, you can share your opinions, ask questions, discuss trading strategies, and even make new friends. It's a community of mutual learning and growth, and we would love to have you on board. Joining our discussion group is easy. Click the link in the comment, expressing your interest in joining the group. Daily stock signals and trading tutorials will be posted in the group. Don't miss out. Alright, I think that is it for today. And we will see you guys next week on Wednesday. Okay, bye for now.
All right, see you guys.